Hey, what's going on, my friends? Spikes the Hero here. Today, I'm gonna play some Hydro Thunder. Oh yeah, Happy New Year's to everyone who celebrates New Year's, which is everyone. I don't know why I said that, but yeah, I'm gonna play some Hydro Thunder. Then gonna play a little bit Terraria. Maybe do a Minecraft. Maybe don't know, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Hopefully, I'm ready for tonight. College football playoffs coming on tonight. It's gonna be good. Oh man, loading screen. I'm probably gonna lose this race, but hey, we gotta try. I jam out to the music while I race. I'm gonna still commentate, but I want y'all to listen to music too. All right, let's go here. I might start playing this game again. Actually, I mean I already beat it, so I mean I really had no interest in it after that. Oh, oh darn! Stop running over me, man. I turned off my microphone so they can't hear me, which is a good thing because if they heard me, that'd be bad. Sorry for any language in this video. It wouldn't be me saying it, it'd be them. Because I don't curse. I have no idea what they're gonna say. I just realized we had a maxed out race. Oh, that's nice. I'm not doing good today. The force is not with me today, guys. Yeah, I watched a new Star Wars movie. I don't know. It just didn't feel like Star Wars. I guess because the first six ended. So I mean, I don't know. It just didn't feel like Star Wars. I'm not gonna spoil it for anybody because I'd just be a jerk to do that. But yeah, all right. Lost this race. It's not necessarily my best track. See if I can win the next race. Hopefully, let's see here. I have never played with any of these guys before, actually. This is the first time I ever played with these people. They know the trick already. Alright, so you know what I'm gonna do? Next race, I'm gonna do that trick, okay? That's all I'm gonna do. Alright. Let's get to the next race. Where's back? Let's see here. Moray. I got the DLC for this game. So I mean I got extra skins for the boats and everything. I don't know if it was a good idea to choose this boat for this race. This was not necessarily an easy one. Come on, you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people using Red Hazard. 4. Alright? Because we know this trick. Look, there's me at the bottom. We know this trick, so we're going to use it. Yes, look, this thing right here. It's a Halo movie. The Fall of Reach is good. It is a good movie. If you like Halo and you've never seen it, go buy the movie and go watch it. It's a good movie. I was thinking about playing the Wii today, but I don't know. I might. Let's do this. Oh, look at that. I got an early lead. Yes, I do know this trick, guys. I just didn't want to use it. Sinking ship got me messed up. That ship got me messed up, man. Dang it. Got a bad start. If you can't recover fast, you already lost. What surprised me is that people actually still play this game, which is a good thing. You got like pros on here. Hydro Thunder is not a dead game. It probably will never be a dead game. If they make another Hydro Thunder, it'd be awesome. Oh! I guess I'm coming fifth again. Unless I can beat this guy. See, this is why I didn't want to use this book for this track. Didn't want to use this book for this track because I knew what would happen if I did. Come on, fix yourself, fix yourself, fix yourself. Better fix yourself. Sorry, boys. Guess I can't do this. Guess I won't win. Not gonna win today. It's just not my day in Hydro Thunder. Well, I know why. I had the wrong music on. Alright, yeah, I think I'll end the video here. Hope y'all have a good, safe New Year's. Yeah. Please subscribe. It really help out the channel. I already got 1 subscriber. Yeah, please subscribe. Please like this video, and please continue watching my videos, please. And well, talk to you guys later. Bye. See you.